Hey guys, if your Bluetooth is not working inside of your Windows 11 computer, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to provide you with some quick and easy solutions. So the very first thing we're going to do is head over to our Start menu, and you just need to search for Settings and then head over to the Settings tab. From the left hand side, come over to Bluetooth and Devices, and the first thing we're going to check is that our Bluetooth is actually turned on and enabled here, as obviously if this is turned off, this will be the reason why it's not working. So once you've made sure this is actually turned on, then we need to come down on the left here to Windows Update, and you should have a Check for Updates button here. So just press this Check for Updates button to ensure we are running the latest version of Windows, as this is another reason sometimes why your Bluetooth might have problems. So once you've installed any pending updates inside of here, the next thing we're going to do is come over to this search box, and we're just going to search for Troubleshoot, and then select Troubleshoot Settings. Inside of here, come over to Other Troubleshooters, and we need to scroll down to Bluetooth. And then we're just going to select Run next to Bluetooth to run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Now you'll need to go through each of the steps on screen, and this will try to identify any issues with your Bluetooth device. And another thing that you'll need to do here is come back over to the Start menu, and we're going to search for Device Manager and then head over to the Device Manager tab. Now from this list, we need to come over to Bluetooth and expand this list, and you need to find your Bluetooth adapter. Now it should be called something similar to this. Mine's this Intel Wireless Bluetooth here, and you need to right click on your device, select Update Driver, and then press Search automatically for drivers. And as you can see, I'm already running the latest drivers for my device. And then we can close out of this window, and it's also a good idea here just to right click on this, come into Disable Device, select Yes, and then we're going to right click on this device again, and we're just going to select Enable Device, and we can then close out of this window. And if that still doesn't work, the very last thing we can do is head back over to the Start menu, and this time we're going to search for Services, and then come over to the Services tab. If we scroll down this list, what we're looking for is any Bluetooth services. So as you can see, I have 3 Bluetooth services inside of here, and we need to double click on each of these services. And you need to make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and make sure the service status is set to running, and we can press Apply and OK. And you need to do the exact same thing for Bluetooth support service. Just make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and click Apply and OK. And lastly, do the same for this third one here. Just make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and once again press Apply and OK, and you'll need to restart your computer for all of these changes to take effect. And once your computer's restarted, that should have fixed any Bluetooth issues you were experiencing. Now if you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.